Abby.
And I'm Keith.
Welcome to our 80s life, where we're all about the 80s. And this weekend, we are making some sweet treats that we remember having as kids in the 80s.
That's right.
So what are we making, Keith?
We're making ice cream, but not just any ice cream.
We are making ice cream that uses soda as the main ingredient. This is the easiest recipe ever. It only has 3 ingredients, and you will need an ice cream maker though, so make sure you have one of those.
And just to be clear, we're making 2 different recipes right here.
So we're gonna do the big red ice cream with strawberries and the peach ice cream with peaches.
And I loved them both as a kid, so I cannot wait to take a trip down memory lane.
And I had never had the big red ice cream until I started dating this guy, and I think early on, before we were even married, I went to like a family reunion or something and you guys had the big red ice cream. So
yeah,
definitely a yummy treat.
My cousin Shane loves to bust out the big red ice cream.
Yeah, so hi Shane if you're watching. So this only has 3 ingredients. What are the other ingredients besides the soda?
All right, the other one is sweetened condensed milk. We prefer Eagle brand, but you could use another brand if you want to.
2 cans of this
2 cans.
for 1 liter of soda. And what's the last and final ingredient?
We're gonna mix in some fruit at the end.
Yes, you wanna get the frozen fruit that's already got sugar added to it. So like this one is the sweetened strawberries sliced. And this is our fruit of choice for the big red ice cream. And then for the peach ice cream, we're adding sliced peaches.
All right, so this machine I have here makes 2 quarts, but it has 2 individual canisters. So we're gonna pour 1 can of the sweetened condensed milk into each one of these canisters. Pour this in first, and then the soda, because it's not going to take the whole thing. So if you put the soda in first, then you'll probably overfill.
Okay.
So here we go.
So we're gonna do 1 of these per quart. So if you have a quart size machine or this double one like we do, it would be 1 can per quart. Or 2 cans for ½ gallon. So at my store, I found Big K peach soda. This is the Kroger brand. Life's a peach. So now we've got the sweetened condensed milk in there and we're adding the peach soda, but we're gonna leave a little room because later we're gonna add some peaches. Keith likes to get the machine running and get it almost solid before, right? You get it pretty firm before you add the fruit.
Yep. Looks like I used about half the bottle probably.
About half, okay. Okay, now this Big Red is imported from Texas by Keith's mom and dad. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for bringing this to us. Oh boy, how does it taste, Keith?
Tastes like my childhood.